Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make plantain in coconut sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you will need a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of custard powder, optional if you don't like custard powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, a quarter cup of raisins, a half a cup of heavy coconut milk, 1.5 cup of light coconut milk, and lastly you'll need 5 to 6 plantain. I've already cut them into pieces and I've already removed the inner core of the plantain. As you can see in the video, I've placed the banana peel at the bottom of the pan so that the plantains doesn't stick at the bottom. Then start by adding 1.5 cup of light coconut milk, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, a quarter cup of raisins, and lastly 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, and cover to let the plantains to cook in a medium heat. When the plantain starts to cook, open the lid and let the plantains to cook without the lid to avoid the plantains from getting too soft. After 3 to 5 minutes, your plantains will be ready and the stew will be less like this, and your plantains are ready, and remove them from the fire. Serve the plantains on a plate without the banana peels, and it's high time to cook the heavy coconut milk. On a small pot like this, start by adding a half a cup of heavy coconut milk and 1 teaspoon of custard powder, and mix the two ingredients and let the coconut milk to cook on a medium heat while you keep on stirring constantly till the coconut milk becomes heavy. And after 3 minutes, your heavy coconut custard sauce is ready, as you can see in the video. Remove it from the fire and let it to cool down before pouring into the plantains. As you can see in the video, I've already poured the coconut custard sauce on my plantains, and enjoy your plantains. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it, and if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.